Hello everybody, welcome to the Story Galaxy's Alphabet Series. Today we will be learning about the letter P and the different sounds that the letter P makes. So, we will be reading My P Sound Box, written by Belk Moncure and illustrated by Rebecca Thornborough. Little P had a box. "I will find things that begin with my P sound," she said. "I will put them into my sound box." Little P found a poodle and her puppy. Did she put the poodle and the puppy into the box? She did. Then Little P found a pig and piglets in a pig pen. Did she put the pigs and piglets into the box with the poodle and the puppy? She did. Little P walked down the path to the park. In the park, she saw a peach tree. She put some peaches into her box. Under the peach tree, Little P saw a picnic table and a picnic basket. "Let's have a picnic," said Little P. She opened the picnic basket and found peanuts, pickles, popcorn, and pie. Little P and the animals ate until the pig said, "I'm about to pop." Little P put the animals back into the box. She also put back the leftover peanuts, pickles, popcorn, and pie. Now, the box was so full, it was about to pop. Little P saw a pony pulling a cart. "Please pull us," she said. The pony pulled them down the path. They saw a porcupine. Little P gave the porcupine some popcorn. She put him into the box, carefully. He was prickly. The pony pulled them on down the path. Soon they saw a peacock. Little P gave the peacock some peanuts. Then she put him into the box. Suddenly, the pony stopped. A panther was in the path. The pony pranced. The pig, piglet, poodle, puppy, peacock, and porcupine fell out of the box. The panther pounced on the box. He ate up all the peanuts, pickles, peaches, popcorn, and pie. Then he smiled politely. Then a police officer came down the path. "You have found our pet panther," he said. "We will take him back to the zoo." "Let's take all my pets to the petting zoo," said Little P. They had a parade all the way to the petting zoo. The end. Little P's word list: panther, parade, park, path, peach, peacock, peanut, pickle, picnic, picnic basket, picnic table, pie, pig, piglet, pigpen, police officer, pony, poodle, popcorn, porcupine, puppy. Other words with Little P: pan, pancake, panda, pants, parachute, parrot, pelican, pencil, penguin, penny, piano, pen, pineapple, pizza, plane, plate, potato, pretzel, pumpkin, puppet, and purse. I hope you guys learned a lot about the letter P and the sounds that the letter P makes. Please join us for more stories here at the Story Galaxy. Thank you for reading with us and take care.